Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series.
Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we want to discuss about these two functions and the standard input-output library of a C programming language. These two functions are fgets function and putchar function. So let's go and see a summary of these two functions. This is the fgets function. This function reads characters from the specified stream into the arrays until a new line or end of file character is encountered, or until n-1 bytes are read. This function uses the stream stdin, the standard input stream, to read characters from the keyboard. A terminating null character is appended to this array, and this function returns the string that was read into s. S is this argument in here. If a new line is encountered, it's also included in the stored string. And we also have this putchar function, which takes an integer number and prints the character stored in C and return it as an integer. Now, as you can see in here, we have used these two functions to create a function called a reverse that will reverse sentences. So here in the main function, we have defined a string using arrays, and the size of the string is going to be 80 characters. Now in this line of code, we have a prompt for the user to enter a line of text. Once the user enters that line of text, using the fgets function, we store that line of text here in this variable, and we have defined the maximum size that this variable can hold, and also the stream that the input will come to this function. And this is the standard stream, which means keyboard. Finally, we print the lines in backwards, and we do that using the reverse function. Now let's go and see how the reverse function works. The reverse function takes a pointer, a constant pointer, and it has a base case. If it encounters the terminating null character, then it returns, the function returns directly. Otherwise, it will call a reverse on one of the characters in front of it. So let's go and give you an example. For example, we have word. This is our sentence. This is the pointer that we have given to this function. So initially, the function will be applied on the word W. When this function is applied, when this function sees that W is not a terminating null character, it will call the function on this second character. And this second character will call the function on the third character, and this third character will call the function on the fourth character. The fourth character, when it calls the function on the terminating null character, the function will be returned without any further recursion. And this line of code will be printed in sequence. So basically at the end, what's going to happen is that the sentence will be reversed. If you don't understand how this function works, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try to explain it to you in better terms. Now let's go and run this function. We are going to enter a line of text. For example, we want a line of text which is hello world. And as you can see, the line printed backward is this one. And that's it for this episode. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to see you in the coming episodes. Stay tuned.